information. So go to Safari or Google and search up your knife. Now save it in photos. Now add a keyframe in the front and back. Making it better. Now search for bullet and save it to photos. And if you have a background like me, follow the steps. Mute the sound. Now make the text.